No, they always ask me, what does it mean to be outside the box? What does it mean to you? What does it mean to me? A lot of things. Why the name Trivulkyo? Very simple. There's an explanation for all of this. Well, Trivulkyo means large box. It's a Greek word that means nothing more, nothing less than large box. Times you're locked in a small box in our lives, going 10% of the gift of talent. Only 10%. You've been blessed with so much. Why limit yourself at 10%? Go 100%, that is. Blossom to feel awesome. Let it come out. Come with the key. Liberate the vote. The vote are the various obstacles we go in life. We should take the first key to open the door that changes your various obstacles into various opportunities, and the second key that turns you into your very own. It's how you shift from 10% to 100%. So only in confidence that you shift was the capacity to expand through your strength and overcome hardship and the weakness and finally blossom in a heartfelt fashion. Be outside the box is the key. Unleash the talent. You're worth it. You're worth it.